Hey, what's up developers, welcome back to Developers Commute. My name is Hitesh Kohli and today we're going to go forward and try to make the onboarding screen of how active you are. This is the screen that we're going to make and I'm planning of making the splash screen and designing the logo in the Figma itself, and let's get to coding. So I made the background of this screen and it looks good. Let's move forward, and I think so it's pretty much the screen looks pretty much the same as the previous onboarding screen, so I'm gonna copy some stuff and try to change a little bit of it. It looks cool. As you can see, the text color changes as well on selection, and when we press on done, it will take that to the database and calculate the BMI and all of that. Let's try to change the color here, and this will be not much active. Not much active. The onboarding screen is done. Let's try to make the splash screen. I've designed the splash screen and the onboarding active screen here is designed. So one of my friends actually designed the logo map and he kind of used different colors from what my actual theme is. I think so it looks great. Let me know what you guys think. But now let's redesign this logo with my colors and let's see how the UI develops. I'm thinking of this logo and trying to readopt it as my own style. I was thinking something different, and what I'm actually thinking is trying to integrate a music in some form or the another into the app design. So let's try to do that and let's see how it turns out. It looks like a professional, kind of healthcare app. It looks good, to be honest. And this is it for the logo design. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.